Attack power, please.
Shakita, if you want TS, wait a second after this ball. I have just buffed attack power again, so if you don't have it as well.
Yeah, I got it.
We're starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So don't take this, we'll see if it deals damage. Don't take it.
Move out of that shit, you wanker.
It did.
Bomb.
Yeah, it seems to dog. Kill the big one now. We need to interrupt the security guard, I think.
That's acceptable.
Kill the big guy, come on. From sides. So can you tank the boss storm?
Yeah, I'll come.
What's happening now?
Thing.
The sack here. Watch it. Another engineer on my side. That's at some point, people. And don't stand.
Why the fuck is it out of range every time?
It's being protected.
And interrupt and knock back the security guards. Or you used to. I don't know.
Bomb. You wanna take the guy? 'Cause I can't keep this guy much longer.
Yep. I'm in my way. I have him. I have like a DPS on my side. With LPX down, we have so many security guards up.
I'll come over, because we're one more.
Oh great, so who has the fucking protector
Yeah, can
right
you
on top
trank?
of it?
Oh, I can knock them.
Hey, you can knock back, you just see a ball. My side is so far behind now.
Interrupt? Never mind.
Do you manage to kill your like regulator at all yet?
Oh yeah. He's on like 400k.
Your regulator is much higher. I'm dead. Try to survive. Don't kill the big ants. Don't kill the big ants. Just try and survive now. Survive. Oh, I want to see what happens if we get to 100 energy. So everyone try and survive. It'll take quite a long while before we get there.
You have to pick up the bombs and like use the button to make it explode, by the way. Like there were 3 or 4 that just like despawned on my side.
Oh, you're dead.
Yeah. Like, that was happened.
If they're just like sitting there close to the stuff, it doesn't mean it's going to damage it. You actually have to press the
No,
red
you can
button.
take it up 3 times or something per pile, whatever.
Oh, so 3
But-
people can get it per one. That's nice.
Yeah, well, I took it 3 times, but apparently the explosion.
4, 3, 2, 1, raid. First one, second. There we go. Parts of mine. Keep nuking. Uninterrupt. Sure. Get yours too, so just split up now, people.
I've got my engineer, but my security guard's gone to you for some reason.
We'll manage. Don't kill the kill the big guy, people. The big ogre. I'll get the engineer to where I want him. Interrupt the electrocution spell like that.
Coming through. I need to get closer.
You get one of your engineers again.
No,
No, that
got
this
mine,
I brought it back. It was ours.
Oh great. Interrupt the repair. Kill the big guy. Someone and knock back the one that's casting defense there. I cannot do that. Good, thank you.
Is that ours that's almost done, or?
Yeah, it is.
Well, just slow down on my side, then just kill the mobs and just, yeah.
Keep
Don't
doing it.
blow any
But
bombs.
we had like the security guard you gave us. Yeah.
Yeah, fucked you a bit, yeah.
We can just do one more mine and then we have to wait.
Let's keep going. Great knockback there.
Sarcasm or...
No, that was actually legitimate.
Wait with the last mob bomb.
Yeah, I'm going to. Don't be near it.
There's no point, you can just go for it. We're done, I think. No, we need one more. It's fine, just keep it under focus.
Yeah, we've just got one out, so.
Oh, we still have two to go together.
Okay, now we have
Big
3.
ones immediately.
Yeah.
Kill the big ones immediately. Rake them.
This damage seems to be a lot more manageable.
Yeah, that security card can get one in a second. Get away. Go. Gather at the circle immediately. Bring the outs to the circle. Gather there.
Just gonna pop a healing tab.
Hey, are we stunned?
Okay, go to the skull first, whoever gets its fix on the slag. I did mine.
Stunning in 5.
That's done. Go. You get ready to pick up.
So basically this time we have to like clear up the remaining ends.
You take the guard as well, then.
Yeah, I will have it in a second. You can just go with the other spawns.
Yeah, there it
spawns. Get them, 5 colors. There's a slag element, it's fixated. On Shakita, go near to the skull. Go near the skull mark, I think. You can kill it now. All DPS get ready to nuke. See, you're on the wrong side.
Yeah.
Get ready to nuke the skull. Nuke skull immediately, everyone.
Leave the fire callers if you can, though. They do healing shit.
Made it. They
Yeah,
got healed.
the guys are cauterizing them, yeah. I just interrupted the cast, so
Great.
it's just good.
It's dead though.
AoE these fire callers now, please.
The next skull will be next. Just AoE again. Shit, the damage.
It's on silver.
Over
Yeah.
now.
Interrupt
Drop
it.
it.
I'll trank at next blast.
Oh, Grim, like, fuck the slack for now, just get, like, under control. Fuck, it's annoying that my stun, like, chest isn't stun. Ready to kill this primal? Switch now, to the primal. Don't die, Strange. Ah, fuck.
Want me to go to the next one? I'm vexed to see.
Well, not yet, I want to recover now.
Another slag.
For now, just fucking kill the primal elements. Just
Don't let them heal them.
Which
Kill
is
shit.
the next guy?
Oh, I want
It's
to
on me.
gather up, I want to gather
There's
up.
2 slag elementals
For
now.
now, I want to gather up and AoE.
Okay.
Drop AoE, come on, knock them back. AoE stuns, come on, people.
Oh god, that was awful.
There's shit to die now, so get control again. Can someone rest rage?
48 seconds.
Arrest him.
And knockback?
I can't.
There we go. Fire couple spawned again.
Yeah, I'm trying. Too fucking much now.
Well, they're very low now.
One of the slag is very low on health.
Take it, yeah, take it to the fucking...
It's an LPX.
Interrupt it.
I
Yeah.
just fucking interrupt with it, man.
I'm bottom
Be ready
Yeah,
to
bottom
guess I
left,
can see
bottom
where
left,
I'm-
bottom left. Interrupted again. Go ham.
Get that security guard off for another few seconds.
Yeah, I don't need to go. It's okay.
No, I don't want to. Kill the primal elementalist, all of you. Okay. Now, all of you, I want you to move as a collected group to the other side. Now, don't
To me.
not throw the fire around. Yeah, there is a lot of them still.
There's the new slag elemental.
Go
Dying.
to the other primal elementalist. Around the room.
Interrupted. Move. Okay, AoE, I guess.
Yeah, kill.
Can we have an AoE then on the fireballs?
And they're out of
Dropping,
range.
5 seconds.
Okay, kill the elementalists as soon as that flag dies. Get ready.
Oh,
Kill
damn.
it. Kill the primal
Put the
elementalist.
elementalist. No,
No.
everything. Fuck.
Just out on the bus, yo.
Just make sure those cauterize cast don't go through.
Oh no.
I use solar beam, not sure if it works.
Yeah, it's good.
Healing, like, can't
I guess
don't know.
we just kill everything now.
Yeah,
Use tree.
gather them. I have the boss.
27.
Knock back. Yeah.
Blast the room for fire damage every 25 seconds. I guess that's.
Knock back.
I stunned them.
One thing no.
And dead. Yeah,
Wow.
we need. Oh, that's pools. Move up out of them.
Yeah, a bad place to.
Ooh,
Oh, they're fucking growing as
We're
well.
fucked.
Yeah, it's Ascendant Council all over again. So we need to go like right back up to the top of the room and then move back down and around.
Wow, did fire.
What we need to do is make sure we don't have 10 shield bearers up by the time we kill the last elemental.
Yeah.
So we do need to like every so I have a right recovery if like you wipe fast. I have Klingsrest on me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
All of these Doom Guards.
Watch the bombs, melee.
We just split now. Group will handle it or I'll wreck them. All of the come on group. I have faith in you. Kill the big ones.
That spell isn't ready. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging.
The big one is the operator for those there is in doubt.
Oh, it's the security guards.
That spell isn't ready. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging.
King.
I'm out of range.
Our engineers fucked
Oh,
off again.
our engineers fucked off to your
Oh,
side.
we're
so
swapped.
fair
We're
swap.
swapped.
Yeah.
This is just
Fair trade.
On the big one. Fast, we cannot have an edgy spawning near people.
That's still recharging. I can't cast that yet. That spell isn't ready.
And while the big one is not up, you should actually focus on security guards. Because those are the one that's gonna be annoying.
Yeah, I've got 4 right now.
I'm 3.
How you doing over there?
We're done next engineer. This is 100k.
Yeah. With you on that? Good boy, Kling. Good boy.
Get ready to rake as soon as those next operators spec. All focus them. All focus these operators. Just kill immediately. Number one priority. Everything into these operators. Reduce the amount of fury we. Okay, I'm opening ours. Go to purple now. All of you, purple. Around the fire, if you're not fast enough, doesn't matter, just get here.
I need to get closer.
Holy shit, the damage. Watch the bombs. And recover now. Kill these security guards. It's on the ones at low HP, so I will
Yeah.
for some reason think you're on you. Just ignore these security guards for now, I want to test something.
Fire color.
Do not touch these guards at all, people. I don't want knockbacks, I don't want stuns, I don't want
Flag elemental.
Just do the elementals at always. See, I'll give you assist, you can mark if you feel like it. Just make sure a healer is in my range.
It's on.
Bring
Is
it
it on?
closer,
Can
who's it
someone
on?
move?
Cyber.
Kill the guy. Who's this one on?
This! Alright, so random. Not casting defense now. They're just together like this. There we go.
New elemental?
Do not switch to the engineer like the security guard. I just want them to stand
Rory.
and cast defense.
It's on Rory.
AoE hard.
Okay, they do stop at some point, I guess.
Kill the elementalist.
Just keep doing that, I'll keep dealing with the guards. But at this point, do like, just add AoE in them. Whenever you have the time.
Yeah, we should have enough some time after this.
We're darting up and in there.
Just go on the guards now, guys.
No,
For now.
keep doing the fucking elementals.
Well, the elemental's
just
up
stop
now.
them up. Stop them up, that's all I ask. This will just like...
Flag elemental. A little bit closer. Yeah, we're good.
Is it me or is there no fire anymore in the middle?
There
because
isn't.
he's extinguished.
Yeah, he has no heat at all.
Does it mean
Kill
we
the
phase one
elementalist.
feels better, or?
I don't know what it is.
Elementalist,
Kill the
elementalist,
elementalist.
elementalist. Don't go so ham on this flag elemental yet. Wait till we're moving.
Again, if you have any additional AV, feel free.
Well, we're about to be done now. Move with the second.
I don't know what cost it to be at 100 energy last time.
Interrupt it, interrupt it, interrupt it, interrupt it, interrupt it. Okay, go. Kill the elementalist, go ham.
So you are obviously picking up the boss for reasons not needed to be explained.
Just stay away off the fucking small fuckers as well, please. Like the fire colours. Don't want any fucking healing going on.
Look at them, someone just casting the defense eternity.
Where do you want me to go, Smithy?
Just start in the back around the green. Yeah, start in the back around the green marker, people.
So we need to stand there already.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Just hug the wall.
And heroism, heroism, heroism.
I'll just pull it back down.
We need to move up, so don't knock your shot in.
See you up, keep see you up. Love of God.
I'm shield wall.
Cyber focus, Adam.
Watch out. First one up.
Careful for the
You
red
focus,
shit, guys.
Adam.
Red shit on the floor. Give me IB.
You've got
Talk
4
to
stacks
Zach.
of damage
Yeah,
increase. You want
I've got
to switch
under
also.
Vigilance is on. Like,
Kill those last two security guys, they're on such low fucking HP. Give me GS if you have.
I'm taunting, just taunt one of them.
Yeah, tagging now. No, that fucking dot
Rest him.
wrecks me.
Rest him.
One in the security guard and 2, 1. Yeah, it's good. Just keep following the boss now. And ready with the raid cooldowns. Don't let Clink die. Coming in 3, 2, 1.
One as soon as my attack is set. Ready for the next.
You've still got
AoE.
6 stacks, or?
Yeah, that doesn't
That
drop,
doesn't
so...
relieve, dude. You can't do anything.
Tranky.
Get ready for the
You can
next
give me
big
anything
AoE.
that you fucking have. Or just taunt, which either.
I can taunt now, I taunted.
Oh, this is.
Intensive.
No,
This is stay in rage or something.
No, it's not. It's just the small fuckers are respawning, so they're burning people as well.
No, this
I
the
don't know.
casts he does.
I'm faster and faster.
Yeah, it is faster.
Oh,
Because he's at full energy.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
should
but-
be dead around this.
Well, we figured out the strat now, I think. So
yeah.
This is a soft rage.
just,
For sure.
it's just. Well, yeah, you see what I mean now with the berserk though.
How did all those security guards die? Oh wait, they didn't.
Oh.
They were
Sure.
still